Welcome. This presentation is developed by the Faculty Research Group. It explains the collaborative research process. In this presentation, you will review the 6-step research process. You will learn about the different departments involved in the research and learn the address of our FRG website. This is where you may find additional information concerning our collaborative research group. These are the steps involved in the research process. We will briefly review each step in this presentation. The first step discusses how topics are approved for our research. The second step is the approval of the research topic by the CEO. The third step is how the information is distributed to the different departments. The fourth step discusses the team formation. The fifth step explains writing the proposal, and the sixth step is the actual research. The very first step in our research process is how topics are approved for research. This starts with our topic specialist team. This team is a group of FRG specialists that determine if the research is valid to the Scholarship of Teaching and Learning. The Scholarship of Teaching and Learning model was first discussed by Ernest Boyer in his book entitled Scholarship Reconsidered. The topic specialist team conducts a mini literature review and identifies if there are conferences and publications for this research. They will also discover if there are grants for this research too. Eventually, this information will be presented as a package to the research committee once it begins. The topic specialist team presents their information to the Chief Executive Officer for review, assessment, and approval. Let's review the process so far. The first step is to gather the information which is conducted by the topic specialists. Then, it is presented to the CEO for approval. Next, it is sent to the appropriate departments for distribution. The CEO distributes the approved topic to the following departments: Research, Membership, Technology, and Communication. Let's quickly review the steps so far. We began with how the topic is started, how it is approved, the method in which the information is distributed, which leads us to the initial development of the team. Step 4 encompasses setting up the Research Yahoo Groups forum. Important files will be posted in the appropriate locations. The Research Project Manager meets and greets new members as they arrive. A team charter is developed, and research roles are chosen. It is important for members to understand that they must substantively contribute in the research committee. Additional information will be provided by the Research Project Manager concerning the files in Yahoo Groups, such as the team charter template and the description of the leadership roles. Prior to research starting, members will be asked to choose a leadership role. Now we move to Step 5, which is the proposal process. The first part of Step 5 is the development of the argument matrix facilitated by the Research Project Manager. The argument matrix is the focus point for the research team and will help navigate the development of the proposal. The proposal cannot begin until the argument matrix is completed and approved by the entire team. It is then submitted to the research director for approval. After approval is granted, the writing of the proposal begins. Following the approval of the argument matrix by the research director, the second part of Step 5 is the writing of the proposal. After the proposal is written, the FRG approval process begins. The Research Project Manager sends the proposal to the research department. They ensure that the proposal is sent to the quality assurance and financial review teams. These teams approve or reject the proposal. If either the QA or the financial review team reject the proposal, it is sent back to the research committee to make the necessary changes. If it is approved, it is sent to the CEO and submitted to the institution. Step 6 is conducting the research. Research is conducted in Step 6 following the approval from the IRB to begin the research. The research committee will collect the data, analyze the information, draw conclusions, write and present the research, and distribute the results. The main overview of the entire process is once the proposal is developed and accepted, the research process begins. The members are encouraged to attend conferences, publish, and submit on their research findings. This concludes our research process presentation. If you have any questions, please contact us either in the Yahoo Groups forum or through our FRG website at facultyresearchgroup.org. Once again, it's www.facultyresearchgroup.org. Thank you.